Muna?
Hi, good evening. Thank you for that question. For me,
Pageant. Go, Shay.
why not I joined Binibining?
Oh, ako yan.
Anyway, for me, sexy, I'm confident. Kasi I work hard in it also. Let's say like physical, I work out a lot, I eat right, and then inside naman, I have this mentality na parang dapat strong ka. And I believe like strong is sexy. So yeah, I'm very confident. And
How sexy can you get daw? Yun yung second question eh. How sexy can you get?
like, what do you mean?
Siguro
how sexy
bikini,
can you get?
two-piece,
Oh,
yung
okay,
ganon.
literally.
Oo. Siguro sa mga pictorials ninyo, mga projects, di ba? Siyempre, yun na yung parang hahanapin eh. Yung parang unique selling point ng grupo nyo. You're sexy, you're intelligent, you're beautiful, you're empowered. So, how sexy can you get?
Yung group namin, sexy kami, pero at the same time, we're very classy pa.
Ayun, okay.
Yung parang Viva Hot Babes.
Ay, nag-name names, nakakaloka. Pasabog. Ayan, headline. Hindi kami headline talaga agad. Okay. Hindi, kasi yung ibig sabihin, yes, oo.
Hindi naman, sabi.
Classy.
Hindi ko naman, I'm not trying to, criticize yung
Right.
Hot Babes or anything like that. Of course,
Right.
just, yung kino-compare lang namin, hindi kami yung parang gano'n na gano'n ka-sexy.
Okay.
Siyempre, mas wholesome yung pagka-sexy namin.
Meron bang wholesome na sexy? Meron. Okay. Ayun. Perfect answer, Jed. Perfect. Ayun. Ikaw, Jed, how sexy sa tingin mo could you
Can
get?
I get? Bedsins will do. Two-piece will do.
Okay. You're sporty eh, no? Oo eh.
Ever since grade school.
Right.
So, when it comes to roles, since, yun nga, hindi na kami teeny bopper role, so,
Correct.
we're more into the mature role. So, yeah, kissing scene, bed scene, two-piece. Huwag lang siguro yung all-out. Since, as they say, hindi nga kami katawan lang.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yung
so,
parang meron paling artistic
Yes.
taste, di ba? Parang ganun pa rin. Profesora, okay ba yung sagot nila mo sa'yo?
Professor.
Okay.
May follow-up po.
May follow. Kasi total beauty queen question na.
Ayan.
What can sexy contribute to the world?
Ay! Kaloka. Si Hana ang sasagot niyan. Dahil, di ba na binibining Pilipinas ka? Ayan.
I joined Binibining 2014.
Okay.
Thank you for that wonderful question. Good evening, everyone. I think the world can get a lot from sexiness, because with sexiness comes confidence. The confidence to show the world what you can really be. Para makita po natin pakita natin kung ano yung character natin. And that is what in fact will make us sexy. Hindi lang tayo katawan. Again, we said we are beyond bodies. We are beyond beauty. We are more than that. We have the power to show our character, and that's what sexy can give to the world. Thank you.
Si Francesca. Parang gusto ko marinig si Francesca.
Hello everyone. So for me, what can sexy contribute to the world?
Mm-hmm.
In the world, for me, when you are sexy and you own it, you own being sexy, and you confident ka nga, tama si Hannah, it means that you love yourself. You accept who you are, and you're not afraid to show the world who you are. So for me, it's very much empowering women. I think that is the biggest contribution. We, as a group, we want to show other women that it's okay for you to love yourself and just accept yourself, and we want them to be strong women and just be who they are.
Ganda, pagkakasagot. Profesora, okay ka na doon?
Okay na. Very good.
Si
Okay.